In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit audio using Split. By the end, you'll know exactly how to make a clean, precise cut in your audio so you can work more efficiently inside your edit. First, open CapCut and load the project you're working on. You can start a fresh project or continue with one you already have. The process is the same. Once the editor opens, make sure you can see the timeline at the bottom of the screen. That's where your audio and video clips live, and where we'll be doing the split. Next, add your audio to the project. If the file isn't in your media bin yet, import it from your computer, then drag it down onto the timeline. If the audio is already in your project, simply drop it on an empty audio track. You should see a waveform appear. That visual pattern is your audio's volume over time, and it's incredibly helpful for finding the exact spot you want to cut. If your clip looks small, you can enlarge the track height or zoom the timeline so the waveform is easier to read. Now, place the playhead at the exact moment you want to split the audio. The playhead is the vertical line with a scrubber handle that shows your current position in the timeline. You can drag it left or right, or click directly on the timeline to jump to a spot. To be precise, press play, listen closely, and pause right before the section you want separated. Look for natural cues in the waveform. Sharp spikes often indicate beats, claps, or strong consonants in dialogue. If you need finer control, zoom in a little more and nudge the playhead using small mouse movements for frame-by-frame accuracy. When you're lined up, it's time to make the cut. Press the B key on your keyboard to activate the split tool and perform the split at the playhead. If you prefer clicking, use the split button in the toolbar. It does the same thing. You'll see your single audio clip become two clips divided at that precise point. Nothing is deleted. CapCut's split is non-destructive, so you're simply creating a clean boundary. You can now select either side independently, which makes tasks like timing adjustments or effect targeting much easier. Play back across the cut to confirm it sounds natural. If the cut feels a hair early or late, undo, nudge the playhead, and split again until it's perfect. And that's it. You've opened CapCut, added your audio, positioned the playhead with confidence, and split the clip cleanly using a shortcut or the on-screen button. Happy editing.